everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math. On view all lessons. There you can find a list of the lab chapters. We're going to start with the chapter units of measurement. And the lessons we're going to cover today are measure using an inch ruler, which customary unit is appropriate, compare and convert customary units of length, compare and convert customary units of weight. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson. Here I'm on math. The chapter we are on right now is unit of measurement. Let's just start. Measure using an inch ruler. Let's just start with the lesson. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. So you are given a line, you need to measure the length of the line. So you can use ruler that is at your home. Just draw a line. And how do we measure the length of the line, right? So basically you need to line up the left end of the line with the zero mark at the ruler, right? And then you have to measure the right end of the line. So right and match to the 2 inches, right? So that means the measurement of the line is 2 inches. Got it? Let's just start with the lesson. So you can use your ruler at your home and to make lines on the notebook and learn how to measure them. Move the move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So you have to line up the left end of the ruler to with the line. So you need to measure the line, right? Mm, mm, Yes, that is about 3 inches the at the right end. So the correct option is 3 inches. Option number 2 is the correct option. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to nearest inch. So which is the correct option? Yes, the line is just about 1 inch. The correct option is 1 inch. Can you guys Please stop chatting. You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. Just answer the question I'm asking. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. So, what is the length of the line? The correct option is yes, 2 inches. The correct option is 2 inches. One is move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 3 inches. It is the correct option is 3 inches. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. The line is about dash inches long. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 1 inch. It is option number 2 is 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. So, you use the ruler at your home and do. Let's just learn how to measure the line, right? Let's just move on to the next. The next lesson is which customary unit is appropriate. Let's just start with it. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a sour cream container? So you are given two of the options, right? That is 11 fluid ounces or 11 gallons. So that is just a container for the sour cream, right? So that means that must be 11 fluid ounces because 11 gallons is too much for this. Okay, let's just start with the test questions because here you are not given with the options. So let's just start with the test questions. Better estimate for the weight of a hamster 2 pounds 2 inches, which is the correct option. The correct option is 2 ounces. 2 pounds 2 ounces is too little for the weight of the hamster. The correct option is 2 pounds. 2 ounces it is because 2 pounds is too heavy. The correct option is 2 ounces. Okay, that is 2 ounces because 2 pounds is too much. Okay, let's just start with the which is the better estimate for the height of a room 10 yards 10 feet, which is the correct option. That is the height of the room, right? Yes, the correct option is 10 feet because 10 yards is too much for the room that is 10 feet. 10 yards is too much for the height of the room, which is the better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink 7 tablespoons 7 pints, which is the correct option. That is 7 tablespoons is too little for the bathroom sink, right? The correct option is 7 pints. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is the better estimate for the distance of a long day hike? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 10 miles. The correct option is 10 miles. Which is the better estimate for the height of a coffee maker? So, which is the correct option? The height of the coffee maker is 19 inches. 1950 is too much. 19 feet is too much, right? The correct option is 19 feet. Yes, 19 inches. Sorry, I selected the wrong option actually. Which is the better estimate for the length of a jump rope? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 yards. Option number one is the correct option. 4 inches is too small. That is 4 yards. Which is the better estimate for the weight of a bookshelf? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 45 pounds. 45 tons is too much for the bookshelf. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Which is the better estimate for the distance of a long running race? 5 miles, 5 inches. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5 miles. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is compare and convert customary units of length. Okay, one equal how many inches? One inch equal 30, 1 yard equal. 36 inches, right? And 1 mile equal 1760 yards. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we. Which is more, 1 mile or 10,291 feet? Which is the correct option? - 10,291 feet is more than 1 mile, right? Option number that 1 mile is, I think, 5,000 5,000 something, right? Which is more, 12 inches or 1 foot? Which is the correct option? The correct option is they both are exactly equal. Option number 2 is the correct option. They are equal. 1 mile equal how many yards? One mile equals 1,760 yards. Option number 2 is the correct option. Convert 1 inch equal how many yard? 1 yard equal how many inches? The correct option is 1 yard equal 36 inches. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is more, 6 feet or 1 yard, which is the correct option is 6 feet. I think 1 yard is more, 6 feet. 1 foot equal how many yards? 1 foot equal 12 inches. The correct option is 12. 3 feet equal how many yards? Three feet equal 1 yards. The correct option is 1 yards. Option number 2 is the correct option. $5,280 equal how many yards? How many? That is 1 miles. The correct option is 1 miles. One foot equal how many inches? That is 12 inches. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare and convert customary units of weight. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 16 pound equal 16 ounces. Let's just start with the test questions. Pounds, 16 ounces equal 1 pounds. That's 1 pound. Which is more, 1 ton or 2,869 pounds? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2,869 pounds. Option number 2 is the correct option. Yes, I can see her messages. Which is more, 1 pound or 14 ounces? Which is the correct option? One pound is more, right? Because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2,000 pounds equal how many tons? Yes, 2,000 pounds equal 110. The correct option is option number 2. Which is more, 1 pound or 31 ounces? Which is the correct option? 31 ounces is more. In 1 pound, you have just 16 ounces. So 31 ounces is more. Which is more, 1 ton or 3,688 pounds? Which is the correct option? That is 3,688 pounds, right? Because in 1 ton, you have just 2 pounds. 1 pound equal how many ounces? That is 16 ounces, 1 pound, 16 ounces. 2,000 pounds equal how many tons? The correct option is 1 ton. 2,000 pounds equal 1 pound equal how many ounces? The correct option is pound equal 16 ounces. Okay, you can complete. So we were working on math. The chapter we were working on is unit of measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are Measure using compare and convert customary unit of length. Compare and convert customary unit of weight. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? If you need more help with any tutor on the Skype, they are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join. So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.